Harvia is the world's biggest sauna heater manufacturer, also when it comes to the electrical heaters. We have the solution to any sauna, from 2.3 kilowatt to 4.5, 6, 8, up till 33 kilowatts. So these heaters you can see here are 6, 8 kilowatt heaters, very suitable for standard saunas and standard solutions. Nowadays the trend when it comes to the sauna heaters is more and more is better. Our solution for this trend is heaters like Cylindro, which has lots of stones, lower temperature, better enjoyment in sauna. In Cylindro family we have several different models. The most sophisticated ones have a separate control unit from where you can adjust the temperature and the on time. More basic models have built-in timer and thermostat in classic way.